Hi guys, I know it's been a while since I've last made a video. Yeah, I knew I haven't made videos for a while, so I'm kind of really sorry. I did a competition. There's a video that I've done on the 6 people who can win 10,000 credits worth of imvu credits. So yeah, I'll link that video under there if you want to see. If you've got an imvu account and you want to win some credits, you can check out that video on how to enter. So yeah, that'll be down in the description below as well. But today I kind of want to talk to you guys about what I've been doing lately. So lately I have started to make a video game on a software called Unreal Engine 4. If you guys don't know what Unreal Engine 4 is, it's a software where you can create graphical video games. And yeah, I kind of want to talk to you guys about the video games that I've just started to make. I have a long way to go in making it, but I kind of want to show you guys what I've done so far. And yeah, my Unreal Engine 4 software name's called Lisa Matthews 1995, so that's the software name. So if you guys want to add me on there, you can. In my Unreal 4 project that I'm doing, it's called Chris, I can't say it properly, but it's spelled C-R-Y-S-T. I just randomly came up with the name, but it's not really what the game's going to be called. I just had the name of the project because I'm not sure yet. I've just started to create it. When I first opened it up, because mine's on third person camera, and it shows just that start off, I didn't know what to do. So how I did all this, I have pretty much watched Unreal Engine 4 tutorial videos on YouTube. There's a video where I filmed of sculpting the floor, like adding like hills, adding slopes, where I could put a lake in, and changing the ground level so it's not just like a one flat ground. That's my first step I did. That took me a while to do, and yeah, it's just mainly changing the ground surface first, and then what else I've done was I put different textures such as rock texture, dry grass texture, dirt texture and lush grass texture around my landscape, and I got a lake created in it, which took a long time. I reckon making the lake part was the hard part, but yeah, I still got a long way to go in creating my game. But yeah, I kind of want to show you guys what I've done so far, and yeah, I'm going to add more like trees and all that stuff later, so I'll probably do another video in the future showing you guys my Unreal Engine 4 project process of how far I'm getting into it. So watching tutorial videos is a really good option if you're not sure how to make a game like me. When you first learn how to use a software like that, you're better off watching tutorial videos, and it helps me a lot. I'm going to put some links of different tutorial videos for beginners that I've been watching. That's helped me get to how far I've come now in my creating my game, and they were very useful. I wouldn't be able to do all this if it wasn't for those people with their useful beginners tutorial videos, and yeah, it's helped me a lot. I've got a lot more to learn in, you know, this software. I only just started. This is only the beginning, and yeah, I kind of want to show you guys what I've done so far in my Unreal Engine 4 project. It just opens my mind a little bit. I am planning on in the future doing a gaming course on how to create video games, so this is kind of just helping me get an idea of what it's like creating a game. Yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video in the future.